Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add codes in Notion. Here's how to add code blocks in Notion. First thing is to launch Notion in your web browser and sign in. Then open the page where you want to add the code. I already have a page open here, but you can open it from any of this private list. So the next thing that you like to do is to click on an empty space which you have here, and then press the / to open the block menu. Then you will need to type code in the search bar or select code from the block options. Now we have code in here. Once the code block is inserted, which you have here, you're supposed to see an option. So the code block is, of course, here you have the copy, you have a 3 dots icon over here. So you can see that as copy, and you can see this as JavaScript. So you can click on this drop down menu and select any of so click on this menu and select the programming language for syntax. So you have Python, you can use Python, you can use JavaScript, you can use HTML. Anyhow you want to get that done, just go ahead and feel free to choose the programming language for your syntax. And then you can click on this 3 dots menu that is here for you to format code or work at Notion or do anything that you want to do with that list. Now once you're done, click inside the code block and start typing or paste your code into the block. Now the syntax highlighting will update according to the language selected. You can also resize and move the code block once you are done, which is of course optional. Then that is meant you can also move the block by clicking and dragging. So you can just click and drag the 6 dotted handle, which is the block handle, at the left side of the code block. So you can just drag. That should have dragged to move it, but nothing is here already, so it's not really moving. But if you add some things here in the code block, you will be able to move this code block to wherever you want to move it to. Now Notion supports syntax highlighting for various programming languages, which helps in reading and understanding code. And Notion code blocks are for display and documentation purposes only. They do not execute the code. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.